The pull rope on this mower is broken. We're going to replace it. Remove the recoil. There's 3 bolts. Remove the recoil. On the bottom you can see the knot and the old string. The bolt in the middle is a reverse thread and a star bit. We'll take off the bolt, remove the bolt and the cover plate, lift up the spool. You can see the broken cord in here. Unwind the cord until you get to the knot and pull it out. Cord from the handle, there's a knot at the end. Hold the 2 pieces of cord together to get a length. Measure out a piece of cord the same size. The cord is thinner, so we'll just double knot it. Knots in both ends. First we'll tie 1 knot, get everything strung through, and at the very end put the 2nd knot in. Thread it into the recoil. Make sure the knot's big enough so it holds. And we'll wind up the string through this hole and push the spool on. Make sure the string stays on the spool. We'll add some silicone grease. It won't break down the plastic. Make sure the 2 lock wings are moving nice and smooth. When you pull the string, the wings will come out. When you release it, the wings will pull back in. These engagement wings are out, and when I release it, they go back in. Place the reverse thread assembly back into place. Tighten it up. Make sure everything spins nice and loose. Make sure the string's not dragging on anything. This end of the string on the handle. Through, and we'll tie a knot on this end. Make sure the knot is big enough. Replace the recoil. Place the string through the loop. Pull the string. It'll pull over the lawnmower and retract.